Zhangzhou Huifa Machinery Company Limited specializes in modern intelligent greenhouse and planting system research, design, sales, production, and installation over 10 years, and very experienced for greenhouse exporting and customization for worldwide clients. Huifa Greenhouse is committed to the concept of quality first and reaches a repurchase rate of 56.8%. Our main products include blackout greenhouses, PC thermal protection greenhouses, single and multi-span greenhouses, rolling bench to help the grower to get maximized benefit. Huifa appreciates that growers often have short time frame to get projects completed. We take pride in our precise scheduling of projects to ensure that our customers get what they're expecting, when they expect it. We also strive to provide you with the most accurate costs from the start, so you know the project will stay within your budget. Many satisfied customers agree that Huifa provides incredible value in every structure we build. Our professional engineer and high-efficiency sales team is engaged in providing most suitable greenhouse system and planting solution scheme. 8S, no worries purchasing service, confirm the customer with good purchasing experience. Installation video and manual available for installation. The raw materials used in our greenhouse, including pipes, films, PC boards, light depth curtain, and motors, are made of the finest materials in China to ensure the maximum service life and increase efficiency for customers. Our greenhouse had been exported to more than 50 countries.